Hello everyone, welcome back to another Android episode. Today I'll be teaching you all how to make some alerts in Android. First things, let's get started. First thing, we'll make an alert. We'll make a Java class called alert and it will be extends to dialog fragment. This will be a fragment, and the next thing we'll create the Oncreate Dialog method, and inside it we'll remove the return statement from here, and here we say alert dialog dot builder alert equals to new alert dialog builder, and I'll give the get context to this context, and the next thing we say alert dot set title and provide a title for our alert. We say from here like this, and the next thing we say the alert dot set message. Set a message if the alert dialog is shown. We say you have entered wrong values. Okay, next thing we say dialog interface dot on click listener, and call this on click listener, and we'll make it equal to new dialog interface dot on click listener like this, and inside it we'll provide a toast get context, and the text will say alright, and we'll after that we'll have another on click listener dialog interface dot on click listener 2 equals to new dialog interface dot on click listener, and here we say toast, and we'll give the context get context, and we say cancel inside the toast. Alright, next we say alert dot set positive button, and we provide button name as OK, and we'll give a listener for it. We'll give the on click listener for it, and we say alert dot set negative button, and here we say cancel as the text, and we'll give the on click listener to as its listener. Okay, then the next thing we return alert dot create like this. So now our alert has been made, and we'll save this, and inside the rest we'll create another layout resource file called custom underscore alert. So inside this we'll have some values for our custom alert dialog. Here we'll copy this text view from here, and paste it here like this. We remove these constraints, and here as the width we'll give match parent, as the layout height for this constraint layout we'll give 300 sp. No, we'll give 250 sp like this. And the next thing, inside this, as for the text view, we'll set the text custom alert, and we'll provide some constraint left to right, left to left of as parent, and constraint right to right of as parent as well. And here we'll give a text size for this. It will be 20 sp, no 30 sp like this. And after that I'll give this an ID. I'll say text like this. Why is this giving an error? Let's check it out. Okay, we have to provide the constraint top to top of as parent like this. Next thing, we'll copy this and paste it here, and we'll say the text as custom alert, you have entered wrong values like this. And here the constraint top to bottom of will be ID and the text. We'll remove this ID from here and we'll have this like this. For the text size of this text view, we say 20 sp, and we'll give this a text style. It will be give this a text alignment. This will be center like this. And after this we'll have a button placed. We'll copy this text view and we'll give this one an ID. The ID will be text2 like this. And after the text view we'll provide the button. The button's text will be wrong click, and we'll give the constraint top to bottom of this as text2 like this. And here we'll change the height of this layout to 200. No, we'll give 170 like this. So our custom template for the alert button, custom alert button has been created. Now let's create the custom alert button. We save everything and we'll have a new class placed. This will be custom alert. It will also be a fragment. We'll extend this to dialog fragment like this. And the next thing, we'll have the Oncreate Dialog method placed, and inside it we say final alert dialog dot builder called dialog, which will be equal to new alert dialog builder, and I'll pass the get context to this. After that, let's have a layout inflator called layout inflator equals to layout inflator dot from, and here we pass the get context as well to this also. And the next thing, we'll get the views from the layout inflator, which will be equal to layout inflator dot inflate, and inside this we'll give the r dot layout dot custom alert layout, and the next parameter will be null. After that, we have to implement the view like this, and the next thing we say dialog dot set view and provide the view to this, and the next thing we'll have finite alert dialog made, which will be equal to dialog dot create, and after that we'll have a button. We'll have our button in the custom layout, button btn equal to button find view by id, view dot find view by id, and we say r dot id dot, let's check the button id. We haven't given one, we'll give an id for this. The id will be button1, like this. We'll save this and go here and say button1, and after that we'll have a button dot set on click listener, and we'll create a new view dot on click listener, and inside it we'll give a toast of get context, and the toast will say hello error. Alright, next we say alert dialog dot dismiss, to dismiss the dialog, and here after this we'll say return alert dialog, like this, and we'll save things. Now let's go to the main activity, the custom alert activity, and we'll copy this button from here, remove this text view and place the button here, and another button here. The id of the first button will be button 1, and we'll give the constant top to bottom of the second button as 1 button 1, like this, and we'll remove with this, and we say constant top to top of will be parent, like this, and we'll give these some margins. We'll give them paddings. Margins. Margin top will be 30 sp for the first button, and we'll do the same for the second button as well. And here we give the text of the first button as alert, and the second button will be custom alert. Alright, now we'll give some on-click methods for them. Alert T, and here on-click will be custom A, and we'll create this. And the other one also. Okay, now we'll call them. Inside this we say alert dialog, alert A equals new alert, and A dot show and provide get support fragment manager, and give this an tag name called alert1. And here also we'll make the custom alert alert equals to new custom alert, and here we say alert dot show and provide get support fragment manager, and this will be an alert custom alert. Okay, now everything's set up. We'll save things and let's run this inside our phone. Our phone is being launched right now. You have seen the previous application, but we'll wait till this gets built. Now our application got launched, and let's press on alert first. We see a alert button. You have entered ROM values and row. When we press OK, it will show alright, and when we press cancel, it will show cancel. Let's do the same for the custom alert. Let's press on it, and we get our custom alert. You have entered wrong values, and when we press the wrong click, we get hello error. Okay, this is so nice to look at. So this is how we make alerts inside our Android applications. So here today I taught you how to make alert and a custom alert in Android. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in another video another day. Until then, bye guys.